What if could you control a powerful motor as smoothly as turning a dial? This is exactly what a variable frequency or VFD does. It controls the speed of an AC motor and allows to start smoothly without damaging shocks. This secret is simple. Motor speed depends on frequency. As per above given diagram, first the VFD converts incoming 3-phase AC power into DC using diodes. Then capacitors smooth the DC, removing ripples and making it stable. Next, transistors switch the DC back into AC with a control frequency. And by changing this frequency, the motor speed is controlled precisely. If you are still confused, think of it like a water system. Above is the comparison of water pumping system and the internal circuit of VFD. Diodes acts like a check valves allowing in only one direction. Capacitor act like filters smoothing out the flow. And transistor act like smart valves controlling the flow. One common use in water treatment plants controlling pump speed. When demand is low, the system needs to slow down. A VFD makes this possible by adjusting the motor speed. And with a PLC, everything becomes automatic. Via using communication protocol like RS-232 and RS-485, system can monitor and control everything. This improves efficiency, save energy, and protects equipment. So always remember, a VFD controls motor speed by converting AC to DC and back to AC with controlled frequency. VFDs are everywhere, making modern automation smarter, safer, and more efficient. Like, subscribe our channel for getting more informative videos.